Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Sattva new launch which is located on Mysore Road near Jnanabharati Metro Station in South Bangalore, a project developed by Sattva Group. And today in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So I'm standing just in front of the marketing office and here just behind me is the marketing office and the land parcel itself. Now, exactly what is Housey? So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss the project overview, and this project will be constructed on total 6 acres of land parcel with 3 high-rise towers with basement, stilt plus 30 floors, having 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies with 430 premium apartment. Now let's discuss the location part, and this project is exactly located beside Jnanabharati Metro Station in South Bangalore and on Mysore Road. So let me show you, this is the Mysore Road, and now exactly opposite to the project is Bangalore University. Now let's discuss the further location and connectivity. So you can connect to RV College of Engineering in just 4 minutes. Raja Rajeshwari Medical College is just 5 minutes away. And even you can connect to Kengeri bus terminal in just 5 minutes from the location of the project. Now let's discuss the amenities part, and this project provides you world-class amenities like of infinity pool, grand clubhouse, gymnasium, indoor and outdoor games with sitting pavilion, landscape garden, kids play area and many more. And the USP point is that this project also has 2 temples inside the campus. Number 1, Jain Mandir, and second one is Shiv Mandir for spiritual serenity. Now let's discuss the super built up area, and as mentioned this project provides you 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies with 3 BHK here is starting from 2070 square feet. 3.5 BHK is 2600 square feet and 4 BHK is 3000 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss the booking process, and project EOI window, that is expression of interest, is open now. Interested clients are invited to our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail with the project 3D model. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme and we'll show you the model flight once it's ready. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI by paying 5 lakh of non-bankable EOI. Our EOI clients will get exclusive benefits like preference in flat selection, access to pre-launch prices and 100% risk-free as there is non-bankable check. So everyone, this was the project teaser of the residential project, that is Sattva new launch, which is located on Mysore Road in South Bangalore, a project developed by Sattva Group.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.